Today we're going to be restoring these beautiful Air Max 95s. Now this client came to us asking for a full deep clean. However, she also stated there was a tear in the midsole right there next to the air bubble, and if you flip it, there is a hole in the midsole. We told her not to worry, we just give the shoes a little flip, and there you go. Suede is refreshed, colour is back, midsole white and minty, and the hole is repaired. Give it a little stress test, and it's like there was never a hole there. Flip it, and exact same on the other side, you can't even see the repair. If you guys have any trainers with holes in the midsole, whether the 95, 98s, whatever the shoe, drop us a message and we'll get the shoes professionally repaired and looking box fresh.